Good morning, students. Let's start quadratic equations. This is lecture 7. So, students, here we have some basic definitions regarding quadratic equations and roots that we have already done. A quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where x is an unknown variable, a, b, c are constants and a is not equal to 0. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Students, quadratic equation हम किसे कहते हैं? If an equation involves degree 2, that is called the quadratic equation. We have already discussed about that. And here we have the root of quadratic equation. What is this root? It is the value of the unknown variable for which the quadratic equation holds true. A quadratic equation has two roots. Students, root of quadratic equation is what? It is the value, ये ऐसी value है जो कि satisfy करती है quadratic equations को. That means holds true. Now, nature of roots. Students, जो हम roots find करते हैं, now we study about the nature of that roots for equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Expression b square minus 4ac is equals to discriminant. This is called discriminant and is denoted by capital D. Discriminant decide करता है कि roots का nature क्या है. Suppose students, if discriminant is negative, then roots are unequal and imaginary. If discriminant is 0, then roots are real and equal. If discriminant is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. But students, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, I have make here two parts. If discriminant is greater than 0 is a perfect square, then roots are rational, and not perfect square, then roots are irrational. This is for knowledge, but for your NCERT exercise, you have to remember the result that if d is less than 0, then roots are unequal, imaginary, and if d is equals to 0, that is really very important. If d is 0, then roots are real and equal. But if roots are greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Okay? So students, let's start doing exercise. Here we have exercise 4.4. Let's start exercise 4.4 and question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations if the real roots exist and find them. Students, हमें सबसे पहले nature find करना है roots का. That means we have to find out the value of discriminant, whether it is 0, greater than 0 or less than 0. After that, if roots exist, then find the roots. So here we have equation 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. A is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. And we know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, a and c. In this way, we get discriminant minus 31. You can see that discriminant is negative. In this way, here we get roots are not real. Students, this is the concept you have to remember. If discriminant less than 0, then no real roots. That means roots are imaginary. If d is 0, then roots are equal and real. If d is greater than 0, then roots are real and different. Not equal, distinct. सभी का मतलब एक है. Okay? So students, go to the next part. Here we have second part. 3x squared minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. On comparing with this standard form, we get a3, b minus 4 root 3 and c 4. And we know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. By putting the value of b, a and c here, square of b 4 under root 3 we get 16 into 3. Negative square is equal to positive. Square of negative quantity gives a positive result. In this way we get discriminant 0. So students, roots are real and equal. So in this way we have to find the roots because roots are exist. And there is the quadratic formula that we have already done this. Quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root d over 2a. Here d is b square minus 4ac. So students, put the value of b square minus 4ac here. This is 0. In this way we get 4 root 3 over 6. By solving this we get x is equals to 2 root 3 over 3. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं हमारा आंसर 1 निकला है. दैट मीन्स वी हैव 2 रूट्स, बोथ आर इक्वल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, let's move on. We have third part. You can see here the solution. I'm sharing the solution and method is same. You can see that there is a quadratic equation and on comparing we get the discriminant 12, that is real. In this way we find the roots. You can see here similar question है students, ये आप देख सकते हैं. I am sharing you the solution and do yourself. Okay, now here is next question. That is really very important question. This is important question for board exam. So students, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Students, यहाँ हमें roots equal given है. That means discriminant is 0. This is given. So students, let's start the solution. Here we have quadratic equation. On comparing with the standard form, we get a2, b is equals to k and c is equals to 3. Now, since the roots are equal, so discriminant is 0, b square minus 4ac is 0. Put the value of a, b, c, we will get k squared minus 4 into 2 into 3. In this way we get k square is equals to 24 and k is equals to plus minus under root 24. जब भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर इवन पावर आती है तो उस केस में हम यहाँ प्लस माइनस का साइन यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी गेट k इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 6. स्टूडेंट्स, आप 24 को फैक्टराइज करेंगे and we get 6 into 4 and 4 is the perfect square. In this way this comes out as 2, so we will get the answer plus minus 2 root 6. Here is the second part. This is the similar question and we have to again find the value of k. Equation is kx x minus 2 plus x is equals to 0. First make this in the form of standard. So multiply kx with x, we get kx squared minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. On comparing we get this a is equals to k, b is minus 2k, c is 6 and roots are equal, so discriminant is 0. आप देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, बिल्कुल सेम क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ a, b, c in this. We get 4k squared minus 24k is equals to 0. Take here common 4k. In this way we get k is 0 and k is equals to 6. So students, in this way today we have completed the questions. आप देख सकते हैं k0 and k is equals to 6. This is enough. Okay, this is your answer. आपको इतना ही सॉल्व करना है. So students, keep more practice of the same. Thank you for watching the complete video.